will be big and some plants will be small and some plants will be very small. We all know about plants. They are in green color. There are some plants in yellow color also. They are non-green. They are called non-green plants. Now we are discussing about different types of plants. The plants, the plants which are big size, they are called trees. What they are called? Trees. In these trees, the trunk, we call it as, in the middle part we call it as trunk. It is the woody stem. It is called trunk. It will be hard. Okay? In these trees, we call it as trees. A big plants are called trees. Examples of the trees are banyan tree, papaya tree, coconut tree, mango tree, okay, gulmohar tree. These are big trees. They are called trees. What they are called? They have heavy bushes. Okay? They give us furniture, fruits, flowers. Okay? These are called trees. And now about going to the chapter of this lesson, these Sohan and Rita, they are playing in the garden. Where they are playing? They are playing in the garden. Okay? And Sohan plucks a small flower from the plant. And flower and leaf. Sohan plucks flower and leaf. And Rita comes and she scolds to that boy. Why she scolds? Why? Because they are also like us. They are also living beings. They are also plants are living beings. We all know that plants are living beings only. Okay? And Sohan, you must not pluck the leaves and flowers. She will scold to the Sohan. But Sohan also thinks, little bit he thinks, yes, he also thinks. And you see here, plants also live like us. They also having life in it. So they too breathe, they too grow, they too reproduce, they too give birth to young ones. They too need food. Food means what? They take air, water and sunlight. These are the ingredients. The plants need food. They take food. Okay? And different types of plants. We are discussing about different types of plants. Some plants are small. Some plants are big. Big plants are called trees. And we have to discuss about plants. Okay? Some will be, they stand erect. And some will fall down. Why? The stems will be weak. They are called creepers. The stems will be weak. So they are called creepers. They fall on the ground. They crawl on the ground only. Okay? Some plants will crawl upward. Okay? They are climbers. They call it as climbers. They need support to stand erect. Okay? They are called climbers. They are called what? Climbers. They need support. Stick or whatever else. Example, money plant, grapevine. These are all climbers. The plants, they need support, little bit support. Why? Because their stems are weak. Here we call it as stem. This is stem. Okay? This stem for trees are strong. They are woody. They call it as trunk. What they call it as? Trunk. For trees we call it as trunk. For weak stems, okay, they need support. They are called, if they need support to climb up, they are called climbers. Some creepers are there. They crawl on the ground. If we eat a stick also, they won't stand. Why? Because their food will be heavy, like pumpkin, cucumber. They crawl on the ground. They grow on the ground only. Okay? These are called creepers. They are called what? Creepers. Yes. Trees. Trees are very strong. They have rough trunk. This is called trunk. Just now I said. It is called trunk. Okay, students? Now we will discuss about shrubs. Shrubs. This is also a type of plants only, but it will be so small. Okay? These are small bushy plants. They will be bushy. The branches will be more. They grow on the ground only, but they are bushy plants. So they are called shrubs. Okay? And the stems will be, woody stems will be strong. They will be strong. we have to consider it as shrubs. Okay, example, tulsi, hibiscus, rose. Rose is also a shrub. Jasmine is also a shrub. Okay, these are called shrubs. The stems will be thick and will be small, bushy. We have considered it as shrubs. And next is herbs. They are so big. The stems will be so big. Okay, their life will be so short also. Only for a few months only they will. Like coriander. Okay, these type of plants. Coriander, mint, they are herbs. We call it as herbs. Coriander. Your mommy, you go to your mommy and you ask to that coriander. Okay, they will show the leaves of the coriander. They will be so soft. The leaves will be so soft. And the next is climbers and creepers. Yes. And creepers. Creepers also I said there's no. Why? Because the fruit will be heavy. So that's the reason the plants will grow along the ground. So we call it as creepers. Climbers need support to stand. The stem needs support to stand erect. Erect means straight. Okay? They need support. So we call it as climbers. And the examples are red pine, money plant. Here, creepers for this example is what? Pumpkin and watermelon. So many are there. When the fruit is heavy, you think that it is a creeper. You think that it is a creeper. When the fruit is heavy, you think that it is a creeper. Okay? When the plant is climbing with the support of any tree or any other stick or whatever else, we call it as climbers. You can see that if you go to the forest or nearby any garden, some plants will take the support of another